True Mama. And I know say that year, nothing day. Nothing day.
Okay. In the spirit of what South Sultan represents, these are my three sons here. When they broke up, I cried. And when Sultan died, I cried. Life is so fucking short. I shouldn't even be here mourning his son. I don't have much to say. Here you are, three of you. I met both of you as two young boys, and you brought him in. We started, I handed you guys over to Nelson Brown. Where's Nelson Brown? Come here. Stand there. All of you. Your hand. In the spirit of everything that South Sultan represents, may this day be the beginning of a new spirit of love, forgiveness, oneness, affection in our hearts. And may you guys be an example to the world at large that no matter how bad it is, it can be made well, it can be made good. Thank you, South Sultan. Rest in peace.